Ladies and gentlemen, we're just gonna let you know, you gotta take care of your motor mounts. This is what happens. It's like the motor's alive. It's waving to me, the motor. Hey motor, how you doing, motor? As it waves to me. Wow, this is ridiculous. It's unbelievable. What people do to their cars is unbelievable. All right, Stuntman, now let's beat the living shit out of this thing. All right, I'm not crazy about Pacifica, especially all-wheel drive, but let's see what the hell it does. It's gotta have something for us. Wow. Ow. Tranny's locked in what? Tranny's no good, folks. We tried our best. But at least we got to show you that you should maintain your motor mounts, for Christ's sakes. I think he's gonna try and salvage this thing in reverse. Watch the hydrant! If he catches that hydrant, that's trouble. We may have to chain drag this thing in, guys. What? Wait, maybe? That's it. Put it to bed. Like, comment, subscribe, everyone. Neutral drop. Hopefully this will be the worst video we ever show you guys. Good night.